Managing global standards across your entire organization can be complex, but it doesn't have to be. Turn to Techstreet Enterprise, a powerful web platform that brings you ease of use, efficiency, transparency, and cost control, with collections of full-text standards used across a range of industries. Techstreet is trusted worldwide by more than 130,000 subscription users, offering over 550,000 industry codes and standards, one of the world's largest collections from more than 150 standards publishers. Leading information research firm, Outsell, identified Techstreet as the world's fastest-growing reseller of technical standards. Techstreet Enterprise improves the user experience and speeds discovery of mission-critical information with key features, such as powerful yet easy-to-use search capabilities, easy access to the latest document version, along with previews, amendments, historical additions, and red lines, showing exact document changes between versions, notes to add to documents and share, custom alerts to receive critical updates when standards are new, revised, or added to your subscription, trackable standards lists, and expert customer support. Techstreet Enterprise also offers on-demand reporting tools presented through charts to track standards purchasing behavior and usage, helping you control spend, analyze costs, understand return on investment, avoid redundant purchases, and manage content more effectively. Plus, you have the ability to create collections of standards important to you, add relevant standards anytime your business needs change, and purchase single copies of standards for specific projects. Choose simplicity. Choose smart standards management. Choose Techstreet Enterprise. Learn more at discover.techstreet.com.